Boys, we're back at it again with this frickin' series, man. I used to like it a lot because I'd spend a lot of money on jewelry, but now it's turning into a lot of money because you guys keep requesting to have this series back, and I'm gonna give you guys what you want. Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. I still like the series. It's just like, my girlfriend doesn't like this series. So let's be a little more honest here. Here's the series again, boys, where we go shopping online. The amount of likes we get in a day is the amount of money we spend on the website that you guys choose for me. Last video we did Tracks NYC. You guys dug it a lot. We're actually still waiting on the big purchase from Tracks NYC. We gotta get to that soon. But I've been getting countless DMs from you guys on Instagram. It's right here if you guys want to send me messages. I read them all sometimes. I asked you guys where we should shop next, and I guess a lot of people didn't see my older videos where we've already done this maybe once before. But everyone said Icebox, bro, which is like, okay, awesome. That one might get more views because it's Icebox, but not good because they're a lot of money. And honestly, you don't get your money out of the videos that you're probably going to spend on the website, because last video got like 1,200 thumbs up, so I had to spend that much. Anyway, we're shopping on Icebox today, boys. I'm going to tell you right now, I got some alien UFO talk, some new stuff that I want to talk about with you guys while we shop on this website, pick out a new piece.
That's a new piece?
Shut up, 6ix9ine. I'm the one that edits that in too. I shouldn't be mad, but f off, dude. Yeah, man, I'm gonna honestly just get a little bake skeet in this. I don't promote it, but it's for my anxiety, and also I talk better and shop better online when I'm a little bake skeet. I think you already might be a little bake skeet, boys. So, okay, let's get online, boys. We're shopping Icebox. The amount of comments you give is how much we spent on this video in the first 24 hours. Maybe even 48. Oh yeah, also this video is brought to you by NameBrandFam.com, boys. Link is down below. We've got mystery boxes on there. Guess what? They're only $24.99. You're guaranteed to get more value out of the money you spent or something like that. I'm not really good at pitching these things, but it's super dope, bro. Somebody who orders one of the mystery boxes is either gonna get a PS5 or an Xbox Series X, and we also got free jewelry on there with the link down below. All I ask you guys to do is pay shipping. You can add 2 free jewelry pieces to your cart for the price of 1 shipping. Yeah, good marketing. Let's get on to this fucking computer. I got some UFO talk to talk about, boys. Alienware, by the way. Whoa, and we're back, boys. Incognito mode engaged. We got some alien to talk about. First off, let's go to Icebox real quick. Oh, what the hell is that? Incognito mode is not supposed to share my search history, bro. Thank God it was a Selena Gomez, man. We do incognito mode because one time y'all saw me searching up a little Selena Gomez slip, and you know, okay, what is this? What are you shopping for? Men, all. Sometimes women's jewelry can be dope, boys. So we're gonna put all and a little cheaper because it's smaller. No, okay, we'll do men. It's all right. And all. Okay, cool. I wish that didn't come up. It threw off my vibe a little bit. So, boys, god damn it. Okay, so I haven't been on this website since the last time we did an Icebox video, bro. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I knew it was expensive. I forgot how freaking expensive it is. It's this one I already remember we've looked at. Yeah, size of a little weenie. And that right there is 670 bucks. This will be the last time we shop this website until we get more views. Although, man, we've been getting mad sponsorships, so I'm doing all right with the coin. You guys always help. So let's go on to the main page, yo. And get into, I don't know where we want to start with. What I've been looking for recently is probably a bracelet. I'm always down with bracelets, but you guys know I love the rings. So we're gonna check out, we'll check out gold chains first or something like that. See, this is 460. I'm already thinking you guys are gonna get 1,200 thumbs up within the day. So we're just gonna go through that. I don't want any of that. And goddamn, I mean, it's gold. I can't get mad, bro. But I know Tracks NYC is not gonna make you pay that. I don't know though. I don't know that for sure. But my personal opinion, I ain't trying to get sued. Anyway, UFOs, bro. I'm just click and talk to you guys. There's this new statement it's not even a statement, it's an article that there's a new project going on, and if you guys don't know, I love the UFOs. I love Sasquatch, for God's sake. We've got a Sasquatch casting of a footprint back there. There's a new article going on right now. Let's check out earrings. Where Harvard University professor and a bunch of other crazy science people are coming out with, because let me start with this. You know when you hear about UFO stuff, you see the Tic Tac UFO and stuff like that? God dang, that one looks really cool. But it's on, like, are these meant for girls? I mean, I know everything can just be gender whatever, but I feel like that might look a little like, I don't know. I'm trying to watch my words here, but like, I'm fine with everyone. I just want something that looks like cool and like freaking. Anyway, okay, so this new document, boys. This new document, not document. I spoke a little too much. This UFO thing. So with the government now releasing stuff, what they're not doing is releasing. God dang, I want that at one point. That thing is nuts. What they're releasing right? Oh my god! And just have an Icebox on it. See, I'd pay for the logo. What they've been doing is not releasing everything. A lot of people, what they say all the time is like, "Yo, why is every UFO footage grainy?" It's because that's what's being released to you. What they actually have, and I have resources that have told me this, and we're going on to rings. Is there's a lot more clear footage, but they're not going to show you. You know what I mean? Whether it's because they don't know if it's out of this planet, although I definitely think they do, or if it's like from Russia or something that they're worried about. They're worried about showing like the full details and stuff like that. Now what this new company is doing, or Harvard University, like professor, blah blah blah, and a bunch of other people, what they're doing worldwide is setting up their own telescopes, tracking these things with thermal and blah blah blah, so we can get a lot of information out of this. If they do end up finding anything, which I think they will, I think that this is sick, but it's $10,000 goddamn dollars. XXX, oh, I would buy that in a heartbeat. Oh, that's sick. I'm a huge X lover, boys. That would just, I don't think it has to do with XXX Tentacion. It might be a little bit more unchild friendly, if you're thinking about it that way. Okay, we gotta go low to high, bro. I gotta focus on this for a second. So anyway, I'm really bad at multitasking, so we'll go 1,000 to 3,000. I don't know how many freaking thumbs up this is gonna get. Polo G, where you at? Okay, thong, is that a thong? Tell me that doesn't look like a thong. Also, I'm giving away $50 in this video. I forgot to mention, when I say the keyword, I don't know when I'm gonna say it yet. It looks like a damn thong. This stuff is sick. So anyway, what their goal is with this is to capture all the things that the US military or whatever has been able to capture. And they're quite, see, this is the freaking ring I have been wanting. We got the small one, I gave it to my mom. This is like the big size, boys. Let's get 2,000 thumbs up down below within the day. We're buying this. And that's your keyword. 2,000 thumbs up within the day. That's your keywords. Let's get 2,000 thumbs up within the day, boys. That's where you're gonna comment down below. Somebody's getting $50 PayPal. And if you don't have PayPal, ask your parents for PayPal. PayPal them. And hopefully they give it to you. So anyway, what their goal with this is, bro, is I've already found what I want. I guess we can go bracelets, but this is like, I've always wanted one of those, but it's way too, like, we're just not gonna get that many thumbs up. What they're trying to do is actually gain research for themselves and figure out what this is, but also give transparency to the public, where we're gonna release what we find. You guys are gonna get close-up footage, hopefully. And what these are is like 12-inch telescopes, really, and they're gonna put them all around the freaking world, probably strategic placements. I'm sure they've done their research. I'm sure this is a multi-million-dollar project, so they're not gonna get crazy with it. This is nuts. Or get stupid with it. This is nuts. We already know what I want, boys. We're going back to the damn ring. I've always wanted this. Can we get 2,000 thumbs up within the day? Then I tell my girlfriend, hey, I bought this because we got 2,000 thumbs up within the day. She's very supportive of my jewelry. Not so much as spending, but 2,000 thumbs up within the day means some business, boys. Oh, we got more? Oh, we already been through that. I've already made my pick, boys. We're just gonna cut off this video, and I'm gonna keep going with this, with my thoughts here. This is nuts. This is nuts, boys. We're finally gonna get the footage we deserve, and I think we can handle. With all of this stuff going around since 2020, yo, I think we're a lot more desensitized to like some other craziness. It's like, once we hear like, oh yeah, this is alien, you know what I mean? Hopefully we know that it's alien, although that's still kind of a security issue, I know. But once we figure that out, I feel like the majority of the public, it's like, yeah, of course this would happen, you know what I mean? I know there's gonna be some panic, but I'm stoked about it, boys. They hope for results within the next year, they're saying. So it's not even like this is a project that's gonna happen like 4 years from now. They're starting it soon. And I guess they're funded already. Anyway, appreciate y'all for watching. I talked your ear off for a little bit, but I'm so stoked about this. This info came out about 3 days ago, yo. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Remember, keyword, boys, I said it again. Or no, you have to remember the keyword in order. Yeah, that's how giveaways work. Appreciate y'all for watching, Merc in the Game. You guys know what I want. 2,000 thumbs up in the day so I can get that damn ring. Bye. And last time I was shopping Icebox, I swear, this is absolutely ridiculously priced. with my budget.